Lesson 3, Fingerplays. Here is a house. Here is a house built up high, with 2 tall chimneys reaching the sky. Here are the windows. Here is the door. If we peek inside, we might see a mouse on the floor. I have a little spider. I have a little spider, and I'm very fond of him. He climbs onto my shoulder, and then onto my chin. He crawls down my arm, and then down my leg. Now he's a tired little spider, so I put him into bed. Jack-o'-lantern. I am a pumpkin, big and round. Once upon a time I grew on the ground. Now I have a mouth, 2 eyes, and a nose. What are they for, do you suppose? With a candle inside, shining bright, I'll be a jack-o'-lantern on Halloween night. 2 little dicky birds. This one can also be done substituting the children's names for the names of the dicky birds. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back,